Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to make two YouTube channels in one Google account, which is called as brand account, because some people will keep one as a main channel and another as a vlog channel or a gaming channel. So how to make two YouTube channels in one Google account. This video will be very interesting, so without skipping, see the video until end. And if you are new to my channel, then without wasting your time, press the subscribe button and the bell button for getting updates of my channel. Then let's start. To make a brand account, first you need to open the Chrome. After opening the Chrome, you want to paste the link which is in the description. After pasting it, press the first link in the home page, then slide down, you can see third option, channel list. Press that. After clicking that, you want to change the page as desktop site. After changing as desktop site, you can see one of the interface like this. After it will change as like this, and that automatically it will change as the channel list. And press the create a new channel and write what is the name of your channel. For creating the channel, enter the name. After writing the name, press create. After clicking the create option, you can see like this one interface, which will be phone, TV, computer. If you have seen and change as desktop site, if you can see that this account has already channel, then your brand account is. That's all for today guys. If this video was nice, then like, comment, share to your friends and relatives, and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. I am your boss, you are seeing my YouTube channel. We can meet in next video. Up to that, be waiting.